Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lunch containers, specifically the Miss Big Bento box, the best sectioned lunch container for kids. If you're looking for a practical, stylish, and functional solution for packing your child's lunch, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes this bento box a must-have for parents and kids alike. First up, let's talk about the design. The Miss Big Bento box comes in a beautiful blue color, which instantly appeals to kids. It's crafted from food-grade polypropylene, ensuring it's not only durable but also safe. One of the standout features is its leak-proof seal. With 4 kid-friendly latches, even the littlest hands can open and close it with ease, keeping everything inside fresh and mess-free. What I love about this lunchbox is the practicality of its 3 compartments. Each section is designed to hold different food types, which encourages a balanced meal. You can pack fruits, veggies, sandwiches, or snacks without worrying about flavors mixing. It's perfect for picky eaters who might appreciate having their food separated. Plus, it holds 1,150 milliliters of food, making it just the right size for kids aged 3 and up. The Miss Big Bento box is designed with portability in mind. It's lightweight yet durable, so you can easily toss it into a backpack for school or picnics without the fear of spills. And speaking of convenience, this lunchbox is microwave and dishwasher safe. Just remember to remove the lid before reheating, and cleanup is a breeze. You can easily pop it in the dishwasher at the end of the day. Safety is a priority, and that's why this bento box is BPA-free and contains no chemical dyes. The main material is environmentally friendly, ensuring it's a great choice for health-conscious parents. With the Miss Big Bento box, you can rest easy knowing that you're providing your kids with a safe and healthy lunch option. Whether it's a day at school, a family picnic, or just a fun outing, this lunchbox fits the bill for any occasion. It's stylish, functional, and helps encourage healthy eating habits. Kids love the fun of opening their own lunchbox and discovering different food items packed just for them. In conclusion, the Miss Big Bento box stands out as one of the best sectioned lunch containers for kids. Its thoughtful design, leak-proof functionality, and safe materials make it a fantastic choice for parents wanting to pack nutritious meals for their little ones. If you're ready to make lunchtime a more enjoyable experience for your kids, be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product insights. Until next time, happy lunch packing!